So guys, this is the good old Polo, albeit with the new explosive 1 litre TSI engine. And despite having a hefty feature list, it still sorely misses out on that factory fitted reverse camera. And in today's video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes as I installed a genuine flip camera on this Polo. So it's ridiculously simple and elegant, and all you have to do is slot into reverse and the camera pops out. When you slot out of reverse, there is a 15-second delay after which the camera flips back in. And this is frankly a feature which should have been present from the factory on what is now starting to look like an older car. A huge shout out to BHP and G Raja for sharing his experiences and inspiring my work, and I've linked both of our TeamBHP threads in the description below. Now a perfect installation of this camera would only be complete after connecting a water drain pipe and after rigorously testing this assembly for water leaks. And I'm happy to inform you that this turned out to be a super clean installation. So coming to the video quality, my best guess is that it's somewhere between 720 and 1080p, but it's felt pretty neat in the few weeks I've had it on my car. The video doesn't get too grainy at night, but you can always improve the night vision by upgrading your reverse light to a brighter LED. Now I believe the vantage point on this camera is way superior than other cameras which sit lower near the license plate lights, and another huge plus is its dead center position, which makes it super easy to assess a parking situation. We do not get any dynamic guidelines on this particular variant, but the static guidelines are fairly in sync with my 8K OPS setup which I have installed on this car. This has to be one of the best upgrades I've made on this car, and if you need help with a similar setup or with any other retrofit, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below.